Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is kind of just a quick little craft with me. I'm just going to be assembling some, it's supposed to be ice cream trucks, but I'm going to turn it into a flower truck. And then some bows, which are from Andy's store. It's a new die. It looks like some of the older design dies, but it now comes with the layering piece. That way you don't have to cut this out twice and then fussy cut and then layer it. So now basically the difference between the old one and the new one is it does have these two layering pieces. There's also other patterns with the same thing in his store. And what I do, like I said before, is I die cut, basically pick out all my colors, everything ahead of time while I'm on the floor, you know, scavenging through my scraps. And this one, it cuts out the windows, but I definitely don't, I want it to be backed in something, so I just kept one of the scrap pieces and I am gonna layer it up behind so the pink is showing. And then also the top piece, I do want the pink showing, so I'm just gonna, again, cut that piece off so that when you layer it, the little sign is in pink, like that. So I hope you guys had a good Memorial Day weekend. I took some time, we did lots of stuff. Family, barbecue, swimming, San Diego, all over the weekend, and I am exhausted, but I had so much fun and it was nice to unwind. I didn't post anything on YouTube. There's the truck like that, and I did cut the bottom out in 110 because it cuts it out nicer and thicker. These bottom pieces right here are like the panels for the truck, I think. I don't know exactly what. I'm gonna glue it on over the door because I'm not gonna be opening up my door. Because in the example, this is tucked underneath the panel, and I don't want to do all that like that. And then this goes over here. And I use like that thick Hobby Lobby chunky glitter. How many of you remember? I want to say it was Haley, who is Supreme Glitter Queen. She posted a couple years ago that Hobby Lobby had this chunky glitter paper on sale, like mega sale, and I feel like everybody ran out and got it, and like nobody uses it. It's like it was too good of a deal to pass up. But me personally, I didn't use it. I didn't go and use it. I hoarded it. I don't know what I hoarded, I like felt like I didn't know what I could do with it. So now I'm like, okay, I pulled that bin out that has it. Super cute. I can remember to use it because it's very true, you know, out of sight, out of mind. When those were in like a specialty bin that said specialty, it literally said specialty glitter paper. Look how cute this truck is. Okay, and then the back piece, I'm just gonna cut a little scrappity scrap. Oh heck no, I heard some type of bug outside. I could hear it. Okay, like that. And then it does come with this little piece right here. And in the example, they did every other thing in a different color. I was like, oh, heck no. So do you see this? You could easily cut it out in white and then color it with your markers. But see that tiny little end piece? That's for you to layer it every other piece, you know, like a striped, pinstriped. But I think it looks just as cute. Solid. A little sliver just to give it some dimension. How cute this truck is, you guys. And because I am using the Garden Party collection, I just wanted to stick, I have one sticker in mind, but if there's not some other cute little stickers, because I do neglect these sticker books. How many of you guys buy these and you don't use them? Story of my life with crafting. It's like, I want it, I got it, and then I don't use it. Okay, so what I had in mind was for this, I'm just gonna have to stick to my original plan, is this one right here. It says wildflower, and I wanted to stick that on there. Look how cute. Like so. Oh my gosh, how adorable. I'm gonna stitch this real quick. I just like the look of like words that have like a strike through it. Like on the computer where you can do an italic or stripe through the words. And are you guys the type, see this sticker right here? When I'm giving it dimension, are you the type to put puffy stuff over the entire back of this sticker, or do it like me, where you only do 2, sometimes 3, if you're feeling generous? I'm curious because like everybody's so different. Look how stinking cute. And I can save this sticker for, you know, later. Favorite tiniest little flowers from AliExpress. These guys, I don't know if these are way too big. I could probably chop it up, so let me try. No, that looks like reject popcorn. No, we are not using that. Okay, so I'm gonna stick to these, like layer them up. You know, like it's like a flower truck. Look how cute this embellishment is. My idea that I wanted it to be cute. Susan Tootsie Tucker. She's here on YouTube, and she's a design member for a couple little different shops, but she does have a die from KS Craft. It is the kissing booth, and she legit turned that into every possible thing you can think of. Like, it wasn't just a kissing booth. She made it all sorts of different, you know, themes, and I feel like that's what you could totally do with this little truck right here. So I turned mine into a flower truck. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm gonna speed this part up. Okay, guys, look at my cute little flower trucks. I do want to add like maybe like pom-poms. Oh, you know what? A pom-pom for the headlight. My tiny ones from Hobby Lobby. I wish they came in more like colors. I don't know why nobody's making cute mint pom-poms. Yeah, I hope this doesn't look like a clown car now. Super cute. I love the way that these turned out. And I'm working on my new mat. My husband, I was trying to use a Dollar Tree board to like craft on, and anything that had overspilt stuck to the paper because it's poster board, right? So he got me this. He's like, let me look for something else, because I don't know why I didn't think of this myself, but look at it. It's a silicone. It's literally just like my my glue gun holder, but it's in white and it's thicker, way thicker. And he said he got it on Amazon. But I'm so excited I got that today, and I mean, stuff is sticking to this, but you could get it like a white rag, and you know, or wet rag at least, and wipe it down. So these are the bows, and you literally just like layer it up like that. I make cute little bows. Okay, ooh, this looks, I might just sew the top pieces and leave the bottom ones. So let me stitch these real quick. Ooh, I almost just sewed my finger off, you guys. That was hard. So I do not recommend sewing something so tiny. Oh my gosh, that was so hard. Okay, these are actually all different pattern paper, and you can't even tell once it's like cut to something so skinny and tiny. And then, quick tip, you want the look of stitching, but don't want to go all, like this piece is even tinier. There's no way I'd be able to stitch that. You just stitch the top piece, and it'll, you know, it'll look like, oh, hey, she stitched that. Even though, you know, we didn't. Okay, sorry guys, I had to edit and crop that part out because somebody's car alarm kept going off, like honking. My windows are down, or open, I should say. Look how cute this bow is. Ugh, I hate when you die cut it and you get like the caca colors. Like, I wanted the pink. Not caca colors, but you know what I'm saying. I wanted the pretty floral pieces to be in the center. And this mat is great because if you get hot glue on it, you just literally peel it up if it's like oozing on it. Cute little bow, boaty bow bow. Ooh. This one's a little hard. I used a thicker, chunky, not chunky, but a thicker cardstock with this gold glitter. Probably should have stuck to a thinner one. And when you're doing this, I noticed, make sure you line up the scallop parts. So you're probably gonna have a gap in the back. That way you don't see any white in the front. Like this one, I didn't do it right, and I got white showing once I flipped it. So keep that in mind with these scallop dyed or single-sided like colored paper cardstock, like when the back side is white. Ooh, I like that, the mint with the pink like that with the stitching. And now all I need to do is add like a center like that. And look how cute these little bows are. I like this die. Ooh, that pink heart is cute. Or just a pom-pom. All right, thank you guys for crafting along with me real quick, and I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye guys.